Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On this beautiful autumn day, we will cook a delicious Szekler breakfast. But first, we need some mushrooms for our recipe. In this region, there is no breakfast without fried lard. We cut a few slices, then we continue by cutting up some homemade smoked sausage. Next, we slice some potatoes. For extra flavor, we will sear some fresh saffron milk cap. These mushrooms are amazing fried in oil. Preparing the mushrooms is easy, we just clean them. The cooking process is as easy as it gets. On a hot plate or in a cast iron pan, we sear the lard along with the sausage. When they are brown and crisp, we take them off the heat. Next, we sear the potatoes with the mushrooms. You can use the same pan with the fat that rendered from the lard. We sear them on both sides until golden and crisp. And when they are ready, we add some bellows cheese on top. We let it melt, and our delicious breakfast is ready. The end result is a delicious and nutritious breakfast, which gives you a good amount of energy. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.